Hello everyone, my name is Feng Ho Wai and I'm the Project Director of Development of Neutral Hydro Generation in Hong Kong. So today I'm very proud to share about our product with you. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the development background of our project. Our project is going to build a small hydro generator to replace the traditional generator. Is because nowadays the fossil fuel energy storage problem is very rare in our role because the traditional power is going to use the fossil fuels, and also it will increase produce the air and environment pollution to our road. So nowadays in the road, the increasing considered about the use of renewable energy is very common. So we are going to build a smaller hydropower generator to replace the traditional power generators in Hong Kong society. After that, I'm going to share about the advantage and disadvantage of the hydropower generations. For the advantage is high efficiency to produce the power generations, and the reliability to the power generation is because if there is water flow, the hydropower generator can produce the electricity and is unlimited power source to produce the power. However, for the disadvantage, it's a very high cost to build a hydropower generator and also need more space to build it, such as the name. Okay. For the objective, we are going to design a new smaller size of hydropower to increase the ability to use and reduce the construction and maintenance cost for the traditional power generator. Also, you have a higher resiliency application in different area and promote and restricts the use of hydropower in Hong Kong. After that, I'm going to talk about the situation in Hong Kong now. In Hong Kong, we have a riskiest locations because we have a hospital city, we are very near the ocean. Also have a wide application area in Hong Kong because we have a lot of river, gyms, and they're just so that is a high intensive potential to use the hydropower in our society. After that, you can see that this is our product. The selling point of our product is going to build a smaller size than the traditional hydro equipment. Is because the traditional hydro equipment is so large, and I say you need to use a name, so you need to use many places to install the generator. However, for our products, we are use a very small generator to replace the traditional one, so it is easier to install and maintain, and also it occupies less space to use, so you have a high flexible to use in our society. And the most important is that it's a very low cost construction and maintains, so that this is a very bad, so it's our best selling point to compare with the traditional generator. And then if most important is the high economic returns than the traditional. After that, I'm going to share about the plan of the budget of each generator for our products. So you can see that for each hydro generator we built, each one is only used 33,000 to make each one, so this is lower than the traditional one. So for the operation of system install and run, and in our suggestion, we suggest that we can install our products in the river or stream by each group, and each group may have 8 to 10 generator in a group. So after that, you will install it into the river and then connect the battery on sources to store the power. After that, the power in the battery will produce this to supply to the residents and the community. And then this is the economic return to our project. So you can see that for the generator cost, by the traditional generator cost, is only you use if you use a 4,500 thousands for each per unit to produce the electricity. However, for our hydropower, it only use 33,000 to make each generators. Also, you can see that the total revenues per year by using the core fuels it only have 578,000 Hong Kong dollar per year. However, for our hydropower generator, we can produce around 746 thousands per year. So you can see that although the electricity productions per year, our generator is smaller than the traditional one, but you can see that because our cost is also smaller than the traditional generator, you may see that the revenues is larger than the traditional one. So here's our summary to our products. Our products can reduce the operating and construction costs than the traditional hydropower and then the traditional power. Also, they have higher economy returns than the traditional power generators. And the most important thing is our generator is very small size, so it can be installed in any place where there have water flow. So it have a higher cases to use. And because our selling point is we have going to build the smaller hydropower generator, so it's a less space to use, so it make our product have high flexibility than the traditional one. And the most important thing is we can promote the renewable energy use in Hong Kong, so that to compare the traditional power, our product not only can make you have a higher economy benefits, efficiency, but also we can make the Hong Kong society have lower air pollution by the traditional power generation. So that is the end of my shares. Thank you so much.